Yeah, so, diba? That was 9 days, 10 days into the relationship. Yes, we were not married that time yet, but if he was able to do that in our honeymoon stage, how much more? 3 months, 6 months, a year, God knows, right? Usually, yung mga babaero, if they find someone and nasa honeymoon stage, makakalimutan nila yung mga side chicks nila. And they will return to their old ways, maybe a month. But this is 9 days. So, God knows, ano pa yung iba, right? This is like, I'm amazed. It's talent. 9 days. Talent, skill. Wow. Hands down.
Anak day. Duha. Pagkikibaw tulo.
I said, I found out about it 3 weeks ago. Like, this month only. Okay, may nagsumbong sa akin. So, there. As much as I'd want to reveal who this girl is, I cannot. My lawyers advise me not to. I can get in trouble. Yeah, but to clarify, she is not an ex-girlfriend. She's, I think, a side chick. So, not an ex-girlfriend. Kawawa naman yung mga ex-girlfriend na walang kinalaman. But, yeah, I know this girl has always been there. They've been friends for decades and she's always been there. So, there. Okay lang yan, Day, kasi di man din maganda yung si bitch. Bitch daw siya, diba? So, kung bitch siya, mas bitch ako.